William, man, what are you doing? What are you playing? Good evening to you, Jersey. You're from Jersey, okay. KKK, how you doing? Big up the whole entire Jersey. The whole family to you, man, as I respect you. Thanks to stop by. How was the day today? Same to you, man, as I respect you, straight up. Remember, in order to do to put the Most High God first. I am Amaya, how you doing? Good evening. I don't know which part of the out there in the world, but an evening here in Jamaica. Big up yourself, yeah?
Give me 1,000 money. You give me 1,000 money.
Renican, how you doing? Yeah, man, my day was blessed, man. I have to give God thanks and praise. And I feel no pain. Me eat and drink. Give him thanks. Ahadra. Pips, how you doing? Life is greatest, man. Once you have life, you have everything, you know. No matter where you want to do in life at this moment. Once you have life, you have everything. So don't complain. Never you complain in life. You just live your life and trust the Most High God. Let me look like what? But with them something there, you know. So I give people bad name all the while, you know. Criminal alone where they at you. I ask you, what do you think? You could see where the penny and read where the penny and say, what do you think? That's the way you think. Yeah, man. I have to give thanks because in a life, you know, after you might have face, yeah, you're in a wants and in a needs, you know, but you have some people out there, brother. They might go through worse than you. Always remember that. And even them, somebody will go through worse than them. So always be grateful. Thanks to your likes. Share your life for me on the top of the phone screen if we can get a look over the for you page. All of my nice clean people, them clean out people them not talk about. I have some people wear clean clothes, you know. But them heart bitter. I mean, so them heart bitter bad. So when we waking in the morning, me have to give thanks and praise. All praises belongs to the Most High. So when we waking in the morning, I'ma see how the sun is shining. Some know, say it's gonna be a great day. A great day. So right now I'm thankful. Jehovah, I'm thankful. I tell you, I'm thankful. Jehovah, I'm thankful. May I have to thank you for the sunshine, thank you for the rainfall, thank you for the moon and the star in the sky. I thank you for my family, I thank you for my friends, Lord. I thank you for every single thing that you've done. Because if it wasn't for you, oh God, where would I be? Where would Williams Mano be? Where would we be? So we have to give thanks to Jehovah, because it all belongs to him. It no belongs to man. It belongs to the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords. He's the conquering lion of the tribe of Judah. The tribe of Judah. And that's why me have to sing. Say me have to sing. Say me grateful. I'm thankful for everything. Yeah. William 104. P. Morger. Who else there? One thing I know for notice. I know for notice. Just remember when the soul belongs to God. And it don't belong to the devil, no. No give no control, no control. Uno what God pick me, uno feel know that. Stand on your knees and pray every day. Hear me, I said, man. Alone positivity in the deal with straight up. So I really like negative energy. Big boy 94. Big up yourself, man. As I respect you for coming on the live, yeah? Yeah, man. And I like negative energy. And I like negative energy. Oh, yesterday I talk about the people when them see up on the road. Right, so I'm there, I sit down right, so I work. I find time for my TikTok people. Who I work with know some do TikTok. You understand? When I go out there, so what they say that I talk on the phone, and I take time with the nice. Who I work with, who do TikTok. Yeah? So listen to me. When I walk on the road and go there, I see people them Dragon 22-717, big up yourself as a step in and share life for me. And when I tap the phone screen, when I walk on the road and the people them see you, them say,
No, yeah.
TikTok up here, yo. Cha. Look here.
Watch that.
You don't have sense on the use on the head now, brother. You use on the head. Oh, TikTok for you pay me. You don't know see my house. Board house me have. When me a stand from inside, I look outside through my board. You TikTok could not pay me. I'm gonna start putting concrete and block. I work, me have to work towards it because I am a single mother. Don't see me up on the street and ask me about if TikTok can pay me. And not of them something they cause corruption, you know. Bad mind. No for uno we have on the phone and when you go be creative and do some creative stuff on TikTok, you go on and do all type of rubbish, stupid things. And then when you see me do one video and you see one whole heap of because see my video and you see one look a couple shares for you know ready to come and ask me if TikTok can pay me. I saw people end up lose all that. You know, you say TikTok, you know, a big platform. You say TikTok a PR now, you know. She make money now, you know. Use on her head. Use on her head. I miss them want to see chandelier in my house stuff. I want to see anything in my house stuff. Things can still look on with the board. I look outside, not just so. Because I work, as well I'm telling you, I don't need to hide it. TK4, big up yourself as a step in. Respect you wherever you are out there in our world. Remember this, my people, my nice clean people, whether up on my life right now, when I talk to you, put on a trust in our most high God. Don't put on a trust in a mother, father, sister, brother, uncle, niece. Woman or man.
Boss.
Wife or husband.
Boss.
Because you see, most of them are human beings nowadays are opportunists. Them.
$1,000.
And them just take what them can get and move. Mad love me, G. Them just do what? Take what them can get and move, you see me? Anybody when me buck up in me, all if I 10 years after me see them, I love and respect, baby.
So, come.
Know how to treat people. Love people for people and stop love people for them things.
Now we see him again.
Some of you ever wonder why all so much all destruction take all some of you because you don't have no love in you, you don't have no real love in you, brother. Channel Star.
Wow. $100. You should be like
What have you ever wondered say how them people are meant life so? I say one time when me I grow now, I'm much smaller now. And I see all some married woman in a brother and some married man when you look on them finger in a brother. You can know say a couple them in a man and some yo when you look on them how they took blood clean them here with nowadays your brother not even 5-6 months them now last her. Leave the people them son alone. Leave the woman's son alone. You're not gonna love him for him. You're gonna love him for him things miss out there. Leave the woman's son alone. I may attack so the woman, the man them too. Leave the woman that alone to man. If you don't know, you don't love and care for them. Lifestyle boss. IG, big up yourself. If you don't know, you don't love and care for them. Leave them alone. Right now, me is a single being. Me have my youth, anybody will come my way. Me have to love them for real, because them have to love me for real, because me not no joking thing. I'm not going to beat no one, I'm not going to war no one, I'm not going to cuss down nobody to love you. Love come naturally, brother. That's why I say love and respect. You see, because nobody can come tell me say them love me if them don't respect me, because two of them they come together, so. Make money Jamaica, big up yourself. Thanks for joining. Two of them join together, love and respect. I'm just want to shout out to every single one where view the hashtag the love and respect at 300,000.1k views. I have on the hashtag there. There's enough respect. I'm just want to say all praises be unto the Most High God. Yeah, man. Because that's how we praise. We don't praise mankind because we know that mankind is failure. Them will fail at any given moment, any given time. You see me? So all of my nice queen people them out there, let's continue to love yourself and put the Most High God first. Law, fire, not, yeah, man. All of them people are joining. Let's continue to love yourself. Because listen to me. You say if you can't love yourself, you can't go love nobody. And if you don't love yourself, you're not going to know when somebody love you. Fire law boss, big up yourself. You got to love yourself. You have to love yourself, and so you're going to know when somebody love you. If you don't love yourself, you're going to know when somebody love you, baby. You feel like a chat, me a chat. Or you feel like a joking thing, me I tell you. Love yourself. And put the Most High God first. Please. Thanks to you, fella. Fire law boss. Put the Most High God first. You see, enough of uno man out there, I believe in a woman, then come and them goes. Because enough of them just come look what them can get and gone. Same thing with enough of the man them nowadays. Just want get to them can get and go. And stop it, man. And stop it, man. Love people for people and love people for real. I want to stop run down vanity. I want to stop it. I want to stop it. I beg you to stop it. You can't tell you what you're doing about me. I tell you today upon my life. I want to stop it. Love people for real. Because you can't say you love the Almighty and then you're not loving in your heart. How that works? How that works? Cha cha. Say I wanna love me the way that you love me. Ooh, 'cause nobody ever loved me like you do. I love to see me from your point of view. I wanna trust me the way that you trust me. Ooh, for all of my pretty and all of my ugly too. I love to see me from your point of view. Alright, I'll see how you doing. I'm getting used to receiving. Oh, you touch my body with my pride. Though you let my ego and my pride. I wanna love me the way that you love me. Ooh, 'cause nobody ever loved me like you do. I love to see me from your point of view. Hi, good evening, Jamar Bins. If every day we are go fight, I said it's best that you forget me. Academia told me on the right. How can I go if you won't let me? In the middle of the night, when you feel there, caress me. It's like you hurt me just as fine. Baby, tell me why you want to stress me. Me used to call you more real than that. I love you real and proper, you know. Have a thing for worry your head. But you gon' mix up with the street and the chatter. We no speak but no matter. And you know what that a fuck up my mess. Now everything I seems to do is a problem to you. Yeah, I'm really hear this baby. It's real. I know you. If every day we are go fine, said it's best that you forget me. In the middle of the night, when you feel there, caress me. It's like you hold me the first spine. Tell me, baby, why you wanna stress me? How you doing, Jamar Bins? You ask if I town me there, town me come from. I'm a country girl. I'm a country girl. Nick Flair 101. How you doing? Say, baby, will you whine for me, whine for me? Say, him love it when me whine pon it, whine pon it. Say, him love it when me whine pon it. Say, me worth it, it feels just like a virgin. Ma bite my lips because him touch me in the right spot. Man, if he think about it cause him know if he touch the G-spot. Yo, Javi done when you touch you make me feel like my day in a heaven with the angels. Them, my body just a twinkle and a yo. Me feel like semi day a space, yo. Me feel like a virgin again to Brooklyn. Shamiana, how you doing? Say, baby, just wait for me, wait for me. Wriggle me this, wriggle me that. Guess me this, wriggle perhaps not. What goes up and never come down. Halloween 5 to what you doing? When I wake up in the morning and I look in the mirror, every part of my body is in place. Many people die and never. It's just a glow. What's the playing? Put your hands on my shoulder. Shantae Brown, how you doing? Put your head on my shoulder. Good evening, everybody up here. So, how are you all doing? Baby girl, Princess 34, manners and respect to you. Thanks for joining. How was the day today so far? Nice, clean baby girl, Princess. Outside. Them no know nothing but we. Lataya forever. Oh, you doing out there? Oh, you doing out there, Mumzaya? You doing out there? Stay safe out there, Lataya forever. Big up yourself, Jamar Bins. Nice, clean bins out there in a Montego Bay. Big up your clean self in any way you're there. Whether you sit down or you stand up. Big up yourself, yeah? I respect you. Fire lab boss. Fire lab boss. Big up yourself. Shamiana. Respect to you. William man. Oh, for respect to every single one of our companies. So I want to do it. I was on a day today. Gang rich yet. So it was a day today. Outside, my nice clean people. Outside, wanna share your life for me there. No tap on the phone screen same time. Yeah, man. Do the right thing. Can I know the right thing what to do? Gang rich. Okay. Sky Twinkle, how you doing? That's nice to know that your day was okay. So my dinner no man. Indian Sashana what? How was your day today? Dang with 10032. Thanks for joining. There is power, wonder working power in the precious blood of the Lamb. More blessing of Indian.
Sent to Anna. Shut in the boat.
Mommy, and your shark water, that's good. I'm depend my life, sorry. Indian Sashana, my day man. You remember the content upside the water where shark in here run come tell me I don't want to hear. Okay, good to know. Valerie Campbell, big up yourself. Oh, power, wonder working power in the precious blood of the Lamb. Which one?
The one that I feed you the red plate.
Which red plate?
You want like a bug? Nice.
I'm going to look where you talk. Power to save just like the olden days. The blood prevails. This popsicle. Like back in the fridge. No matter what others say. Thank God in blood prevails.
I want to pick my own color.
Pick the color where you want.
Blue.
I never know. When you reach a foreign, you're supposed to can't tie. Your tongue supposed to tie up.
I want mine too.
I have a friend, so he's so dear to me. I'm if it's silly about him. His love for me, so it's so kind and free. His name is Jehovah. He's Kings of Kings, Lord of Lords. So many nice Queen people them there with Indiana. Valerie Campbell, thank you for sharing live, darling. Thank you very, very much for sharing live. Indiana Sashana. Want to know comments and make me know which part you know from. If I Jamaica, you make me know you from. Because I like to know my friends, them, my people, them, my followers, them region, you know. So I can big up on a place, a nice clean place where I come from. But I don't mind the mash up your hand. Go on. You not get no more kids cup up for evening, you know? You not get no more popsicle for evening. Why? Why is that crooked letter? Big up my place. Jamaica, land of food and water. Nice, clean people too. I love Jamaica and paradise. Big up to all of my paradise people. Them and I say, yeah, the people them place so them live in a paradise, you know, but my office. Big up my nice clean paradise. Big up St. Catherine. The whole entire St. Catherine. All of my clean heart people them over there in St. Catherine. Because I don't think St. Catherine have no dirty heart people. When I talk, I don't care. No, I don't think St. Catherine have no dirty heart people. Them talk the truth. So a couple wanna come from there. St. James. St. James in the building. Big up the whole entire St. James. Every crevice and corner St. James right now. 5:35. Big up the whole entire St. James. Round about. Crevice and corner. Back to front. Churches. Everywhere. Entire St. James. Mad love out here. Nick women. What's that? Oh. I don't want to sweet it and stick them and the likes. When we see things on stick, me go on bad, you know. Hey, Indian Shana, mind yourself, you know. Whoa. Clean up a place, yeah. Fresh and nice. Fresh them wagwan. Thanks for joining for the live. Remember, in all that you do, put the Most High God first. And love yourself. Don't put nobody over yourself. You know, everything where you go do, put yourself first place. And think if it is right, and don't say you're sorry after. And then you ball down upon God. Ask God why. You hear? do the right thing out there. You sign off. Some just jump on here for just have a little word with my nice clean people them. See how it's on the day so far. Everybody said them day was great, so everybody alright. We give God thanks and praise to that.
Now's the time, my sour green apples. Get me those. So I can escape from this wretched last realm, and then I will move on.
Said I don't need me a basketball player. All I need is somebody that's down for me. 'Cause he don't have to have money. As long as he says honey, that's so sweet to me. I can have everything in this world, but I'll sacrifice it all for him. And I made up my mind, I'm in love this time, and it feels so real. And I know that he won't break my heart. And I know that we won't ever part this time. It's time for us to settle down. And I wanna be with him forever. They can say that I'm crazy for making him my baby, but that's how it's gonna be. See, I've been through many changes, and this one I ain't changing, it's gonna stay the same. I can have anything in this world, but I'll sacrifice it all for him. And I made up my mind, I'm in love this time, and it feels so real. And I know that he won't break my heart. And I know that we won't ever part. It's time for us to settle down.
Where'd you go? We gotta get our Wilhelmina back.
I know everyone prefer buy chicken, you know. I don't know how some of them are chicken that taste like them steel, so like steel fowl. I want to go me and I go buy some fowl and raise them in a car. But I see how my fowl them are raised. Because I don't know them my fowl meat I can't taste, so. Tell us if you eat where you grow and grow what you eat and eat what you grow. You think I joke?
That's right. You see, when a man is out there breaks, it won't look correct.
You know, all this a fowl meat I taste, so. Make a joyful noise unto the Lord, all ye lands. Serve the Lord with gladness. Come before his presence with singing. Know ye that the Lord that he is God, it is he who had made us and not we ourselves. We are his people, the sheep of his pastors. Javan Christian. Come before his presence with thanksgiving. Come into his courts with praises. Know ye that the Lord he is God, and it is he who had made us and not we ourselves. We are his people and the sheep of his pastors. Jaja. Let Jah arise and all his enemies be scattered. Big up on yourself, nice, clean heart people. We out there, we are live it up and I put them trust in our most high God. Yeah, and I have no fear for no form of sickness, no disease. You just know, say you put your trust in the most high God. Nothing of mankind, because mankind a failure. Remember when Judas to Christ? Never forget that, keep that in our brain. Yeah, you can heal. Yeah, you can heal sick and raise it and make blind see. No! Man, when they come do that, them still do that, still betray him. So be careful out there. You can do what you can, but never not too much, cause they will hurt you. Say that woman is like an arrow, and a man is like a shadow. Say never let a woman know how much you care, cause they will do things to hurt you, and here is no joke about it. Me say if you do what you can, but never not too much, cause they will hurt you. You say that woman is like an arrow. No water for you not even. Don't tell me what I say now, cause you're not going to come in and sing and come wash no plate. You just be it. What did I say? Tell me. No, I need it. Ask me what you're going to ask me. You want eat Easter bun now? Easter not come yet.
I still want it.
You just eat a dinner. You do it bun and cheese one night when you forget your bed.
No.
A tea, you go drink and go sleep. You want bun and cheese?
Yes.
Alright, when we done, I should go play them. Alright. Thanks for your life. Hold a boss, big up yourself, respect to you. You say me no know what going to me say me get. Boy, me I tell you sometime, I tell you say bad luck was so down behind you. I don't know why I never talk cola boss today. Come here and I don't know what I was going today to blood clean. I say me almost get in a trouble. Cha. The people not even know I love them. I swear to God Almighty. I don't know what kind of sickness this is. I say I'm a head start at me instantly, brother. Made this a short boss, big up yourself, you know. Big up your damn self out there. Big up yourself, man, cause you know, people, you don't come off a negative, yeah? I don't know him. Just do a video, I not even like me I tell you the truth, I never really understand when you talk. Say that's how it means that much people that are sitting there. I know say me and people are friends. And I just do a video and the amount of people I have put sitting there and I don't even know. I not even know what's going on, brother. You see me go up on the man live. I'm going to take in the man live. First thing I see when somebody say, I see one message say, where you tag, made it so short boss in your video, in another video. Because I do a video, I don't remember about video and gone, from video and gone when I go on. If you know, buckler to the important, brother. Sexy Kizzy, big up yourself, thanks to follow. I'm like a peer things are going on. People cry, them I wonder say I walk go on with only lips and medicine boss. I don't know. TikTok not me know enough people. Make sure take it off quick, I can't take no problem. I don't want nobody think of me in a certain type of way because I don't know him. And God knows what people tell me right now. Even though when time people go report your page and all of them sitting there, you can't go make one next page. It's not easy to gain back followers. And people nowadays, them terrible. Because they make too certain. Look, when they feel think on the positive side, they might think on the negative side. And we can't afford that. We can't afford to reach too far to make all those some people with them negative energy. You understand? Kind of life, you know, one thing I know in a life, so, you know. You have to just be yourself, you can't be nobody else. That me I try to tell you. You have to just be yourself. So all of work they were trying to be somebody else. I'm sorry for you, just be on yourself, brother. People have to accept me for who me is. I tell them whether my mother, I don't have a father. My mother have to accept me. You know, so I don't run certain joke up, I don't deal with corruption. You know, I deal with straight talking and straight things in my ears, it don't make no sense. You know, I mean, I don't grow on in things. The side way. That's not. Everybody have to do what they have to do. Be yourself all when people know accept you for you. Chances always just because you're not do what them want you to do. But before you please nobody else, go please yourself. Nobody else, so be yourself. Them a go have problems. But that are not me problem.